Hi guys, I hope you all are doing fine. I am Simran Lobo and today I will be showing you how to get rid of your dull skin and bring that glow back. So aren't you tired of dry, dull skin and want to get those natural glow back, but the chemicalized products that you have been using aren't affecting your face? The best thing that I would suggest you is go natural. Pick up the products that you have in your kitchen, make some makeup mask out of it and let that bring the glow out. So today I'm going to show 3 face masks or glowing creams that I say that will bring back the natural glow in your skin. So let's get to the video. So the first pack is lemon and aloe vera. All you have to do is cut half a lemon, squeeze out the juice and add it into 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Mix it together, add a little water and freeze it. You can use these cubes on your skin every day because this pack will refresh your skin and boost your blood circulation, which will eventually give you a fair complexion. This will bring in your natural glow and these ingredients will also help heal whatever problems your skin has. So the next pack I will talk about is tomato juice. Tomato juice is an excellent cleansing agent for your skin. It will deep cleanse your pores and remove the dirt from the open pores that you have. It will also help you make new skin cells which will increase the blood circulation and create a natural glow. This face pack will also help you protect from UV rays. It can also be used as a sunscreen. Also, it controls the production of melanin, which is the reason for dark skin cells and dark patches on your skin. So I'll tell you how to make this pack. All you need is an equal amount of honey and baking soda and tomato juice. Mix them together and apply it on your face. Keep it for 15 to 20 minutes and then wash it off with cold water. The third and the final face mask or face cream can be used overnight, which will heal your skin and will bring out the natural glow that you're looking out for. So all we need is aloe vera gel, and a capsule of vitamin E. We will take a few drops of aloe vera gel and empty a capsule of vitamin E. Mix these ingredients together. Which can be used as a night cream. All you have to do is take this mixture, rub it on between your hands and apply it all over your face. You can apply this mixture every night to bring out the glow, and also it heals your skin and removes dark spots and anything that is impure in your skin, cleans out your pores as well. It brings out the impurities as well. So these 3 face packs you can use to bring out your baby skin, your natural glow. All you have to do is keep using it consistently. Natural products do not give results in one night. You have to be consistent, keep using it for weeks, for months so that the result comes out. If you like this video, hit the like button, comment below what are the face problems that you want me to give solution to, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos. Follow us on Instagram, Foxy Makeup Tips and Tutorials, and follow me on Instagram, Makeover by Simran. Thank you.
How to get rid of acne? This is the most common question that I've been asked, and a lot of you guys keep DMing me asking me how to get rid of acne. I have acne, please help me. So I have the perfect solution for you guys. So today I'm going to show you 2 ingredients. You just have to mix it, apply it onto your face, and your acne will literally go in like just 2 to 3 days. So I will tell you why you get acne. Acne is because of clogged pores, or if you have excess oil on your face or dust, or because if you're traveling or anything. Also it could be because of dandruff. So if you guys are just like in your teens and if you get acne, it's normal, okay, everybody gets it. But I know you all don't like it. So for that you will need neem oil and aloe vera gel. So guys, neem oil gets rid of acne, and people who have acne should apply this. Make sure that you do a patch test on your neck or something, see if it works for you. Some people are allergic to it, so I'm giving you a warning. Please do a patch test before you do this. So just take a few drops of neem oil. This is easily available in any medical shop. I'm just taking very little. I'm going to pour it into my bowl, just a few drops. I'm going to add aloe vera gel to this. All you have to do is mix it really well. So this is what it looks like. It's a nice brownish or maybe creamish color. So this looks like your any regular cream. All you have to do is just take a little bit and apply it on your acne. I don't have anything right now, so I'm not going to apply this. But this y'all can do, you know, if you have like acne, if there's a spot you want to get rid of that, it will work amazingly. So do try this, and as I told you, do a patch test before you apply this. It's good for any teenage girls, or if you're in your 20s, 30s, no problem, y'all can do it. So if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section below, and follow me on Instagram, Foxy Makeup Tips and Tutorials, and Leena Roda Official. And please like this video if you know, these tips have been useful to you, and I will see you soon guys. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.
Hi guys, it's Simran here and welcome back. I hope you all are doing really fine, and today I'm back with some really good home remedies for winter season, like for dry skin, chapped lips, or dead skin cells which you're gaining because of the weather or because of extreme cold. So what we will do today, I'm going to show you three different kind of face packs or face scrubs which you can use in your daily routine to clear the dead skin cells from your face or from your skin. It can be used on your entire body, it can be used on your legs and hands as well for clearing out your dead skin cells. So first ingredient that I will be using is coffee. We don't want instant coffee, we want granular coffee. We can use any kind of coconut oil. Then we need honey. Try to get the most pure honey possible. We need a single banana, and the last thing that we need is sugar. So we will be using these 5 ingredients and creating 3 different skincare dry skinned winter season packs which will help your skin moisturize and bring a glow to your skin, which will help your skin, you know, feel healthy during winter seasons. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So we will be using coffee which is in the granular form. Now we need some coconut oil, just a few drops of coconut oil to make it into wet formula. Now we'll give it a soft mix. So once the paste is ready, all you need to do is clean your face with a wet wipe or a wet towel, or even you can go and do a normal face wash. Take a little bit and use your fingers to apply it on your face. So after you apply this coffee and coconut oil mixture to your face, let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes and then scrub it and wash it off. So the second winter pack that I am bringing to you is banana and honey. So this is more efficient for people with oily skin, and banana and honey acts as a really good moisturizer for winter season. So all we have to do is take a small portion of banana and smash it. After this, we will be adding a little bit of honey. You can use any commercial honey that you find. Mix it up. After you mix up banana and honey, try to remove as many lumps as possible and make a proper paste out of it. Then start applying to a clean face. After applying the pack, wait for 10 to 15 minutes and let the skin get moisturized with the benefits of honey and banana. And once after the time is up, 15-20 minutes, just wipe it off with a wet cloth, or you can wash it off with any face wash that you use. So let's skip on to the last winter remedy for your dry skin. We will be using two ingredients again. The first is sugar. Get it a little powdered, so that will be better. And coconut oil. Mixture of these two will also exfoliate your skin, make it glow and clear out your dead skin cells, your dirt that is in your pores. It will clear everything out, and the oil will moisturize it. So let's begin with the mixture. This is the powdered sugar. It is not fully powdered, it is semi-powdered. We're taking a spoon of it. We'll be using coconut oil, any coconut oil that is available. After the mixture is ready, it will look something like this. Take the mixture and start applying it on your face. Now the best way to apply sugar is start scrubbing it directly. Now all we will do is scrub in circular motions. So as you can see, my skin literally went from dry and flaky to moisturized and soft. That is the result of home remedies rather than buying all these costly moisturizers outside. Just to get a home remedy, there are so many things that you can use which are available right in your kitchen. And you can use it for your skin, for your eyes, for your hair, for your lips. There are so many benefits of all these things, and I will be showing them soon. So subscribe to my channel, like and comment below what is your skin problem and how should I give you a solution to it. And follow our Instagram page, which is Foxy Makeup Tips and Tutorials. Follow my Instagram page, which is Makeover by Simran. And thank you for watching. Hi guys, it's Simran here, and today I will be showing you some natural ways or home remedies how you can take your makeup off without affecting your skin. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. There are a few different ways or natural remedies how you can get rid of makeup without using a micellar. Some people are very allergic to the product that have been used in micellar. So rather than using any product or any branded products, it's better that we go in for home remedies, products that are in your kitchen that you can use to get rid of your makeup. I'll be showing you 5 different natural remedies to get rid of your makeup. The first one is coconut oil, which is very easy, and the benefit of using coconut oil as a makeup remover is that it won't affect your pores, and it is a natural moisturizer. It will remove your dead skin cells as well as it will moisturize your skin without affecting it in a bad way. The second and one of the most effective makeup remover is aloe vera. So all you have to do is take 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel or aloe vera juice and 1 tablespoon of oatmeal flour. Mix it together and apply it on your face, rub it off so that your makeup also comes off with that. Aloe vera is also very useful to treat dry skin. So anybody who is with dry skin should go in for aloe vera, which is one of the best remedies. So the third natural remedy that I will recommend for dull skin people is cucumber juice. Cucumber juice is a very natural ingredient that you can use to brighten your skin, and also it is very effective for oily skin people. So anybody who has oily skin and does not want to use micellar can use cucumber juice. All you have to do is 2 tablespoons of cucumber juice and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix them together and use it as a makeup remover. It won't damage your skin and it will brighten your skin as well. The fourth natural remedy to get rid of your makeup is almond oil. Almond oil is known to treat dark spots and people with wrinkles. It is very effective for people who have dry skin. So one of the best remedies if you don't want to use micellar is almond oil. One of the most effective and one of the most positive outcome product is rose water. Rose water is tend to deep cleanse your pores. So whenever you have open pores or you have clogging in your pores because of the makeup that you are using, the best product is rose water. Rose water can be used as a cleanser and a toner at the same time. Because of the uses, multiple uses of rose water, it is one of the very effective natural products for your skin. It firms your skin and it gives a natural glow. Today I will be demonstrating two makeup remover techniques, natural makeup removal techniques. Half of my face I will be using coconut oil and half of my face I will be using a mixture of rose water and vitamin E oil. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. So the first makeup remover that we have here is coconut oil. You can use any coconut oil, natural coconut oil or parachute coconut oil. I'm using parachute coconut oil. All you have to do is take a few drops of coconut oil on your hand, rub it together and just rub in circular motions. Take a wet wipe and just wipe off. The makeup comes off. So I've done only half of my face because the rest half of my face I'll be using rose water and vitamin E oil. So as you can see, the coconut oil has proved to be very effective. Half of my face has no makeup and I know I look very funny. So without wasting any time, let's go to our second face removal. So I'll be using rose water and I'll be using vitamin E capsules. So all we have to do now is take 2 tablespoons of rose water and 1 capsule of vitamin E oil. Mix it together. You can use this water to remove half side of your makeup. You can use cotton swabs if you like, or you can directly use your hand. Use a wet wipe to wipe off your makeup. So both these remedies can be used by any skin type people. It's very effective for your skin. It does not have any side effects, and we are using natural ingredients which will also prove to be very essential for your skin. So I hope that these simple natural makeup removal hacks are effective for you and you can use it in your future. And I hope that you like this video. So please share and subscribe to our channel Foxy Makeup, and you can follow me on Instagram Makeover by Simran. Thank you.